Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. I am making fajitas for today's quick and easy meal. Quick and easy meals are hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so, like I said, I'm making fajitas today. So, quick and easy meals are hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle. The name of her other channel is The Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Myself, Jean Home Decor and More. I'm not sure if Debbie Bubbles will be participating tonight or my Mountain Home and Kitchen, but they are frequent participants. So please stop by all of these ladies' channels and check them out and see what their contribution is for today's quick and easy meal. So as you can see here, I am sauteing my veggies, and I featured these bushes, black beans, on a foodie haul, my previous foodie haul. You have to go back and check that out. And so I'm gonna get ready soon to put my chicken in this pan. So keep watching. Okay guys, I had to cut these up a little bit more. I didn't have them cut thin enough. These are coming along quite nicely, these veggies. And then I started warming up the black beans. I'll get out the sour cream and we're on our way. So as you can see here, I drained off some of the oil from the chicken. And so instead of using the taco seasoning, I thought that I would use these seasonings to make well, let me take this one out. I don't want that because the kids will be here. So these are the seasonings that I'm going to be using to make fajita seasoning. And so what I'll do is I will drop the amounts that I use in the description box below. Okay, so I'm gonna make these up, put them in a little bowl, and then I'm going to, sprinkle them over top of the chicken. I left one ingredient out. We're gonna be using cumin. Okay, so see here, I have all my seasonings. I mixed them up, and so now I'm going to sprinkle them over top of the chicken. And if I need more, I can always make more. I decided not to use the taco seasoning because the fajita seasoning, I looked at the ingredients for tacos, and that's not what I want for fajitas. Okay. So I'm doing this with one hand because is in the other room, and I'm on a roll to try to get this done. Now I was thinking I could have left some of the juice or the oil from the chicken. I could have let that remain. Because I did have some Worcestershire sauce in it, but I just decided to drain it. But I think this is looking pretty good. I might add just a little bit more. You can see we still have a little bit more. So I doubled the recipe. So if it called for a half a teaspoon, I used a teaspoon. It just depends on, you know, when I put the amounts in the description box below, just, you know, of course you can adjust that to however much meat you are using. So I think that looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. And then I have my veggies nice and sauteed. And then we have these. I have these nice and warmed up here. I'm not sure who's all gonna want that, but trying to make it, you know, like a little restaurant. So, you know, who wants to go out and eat? If you fix your food at home, you know what you're putting in it. So what you say now?
I said it looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait.
Okay, guys.
I can taste it now.
So what? They're playing, guys. So look, the next time I might leave some of the juice on from the chicken, but I did pour some more Worcestershire sauce over it. And so I think we're about done. Now, some people might elect to put the blend of veggies in with the chicken, but I decided not to do that. So it looks like I could have really used some more veggies, and so I might make some more. I probably will only eat one. I'm not sure how many my husband and son and grandson might eat. Sons, the little one might not eat this. But in any event, I think we're done, guys. I'm gonna get out the sour cream. And oh, you know what I like to do? I like to warm my fajitas up. So let me work on that. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to warm these up a little bit on both sides. All right, here's the reveal. We have a fajita, our black beans, lime, and avocado. So that looks pretty good, doesn't it? I thank you all so much for watching. Many blessings to you and your families. Hope you all have a wonderful Easter holiday. And until the next one, bye-bye.